Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Pixstone back with another Lightroom mobile tutorial video, and this time it's another great preset tutorial for portraits. With this video I will teach you step by step to create this awesome preset in Lightroom mobile. So let's get started.
First go to light section and decrease it by 0.2, then increase contrast by 30 points, then decrease highlights by 70 points. After that increase shadows by 30 points, and then decrease whites by 20 points. Also decrease blacks by 20 points. Then go to curve mode. Adjust the curve like this way. You can see that how it comes with this adjustment. You can play with this curve to get maximum that favorite results. Then go to color section. Adjust the vibrance by increasing it to 50 points. Then increase saturation by around 5 points. Then go to color mix. First select the red color, increase its hue to about 30 points, then decrease luminance by 20 points. Then go to orange color, reduce hue by 10 points, then reduce saturation by about 40 points, increase luminance by 20 points. Then go to yellow color, decrease hue by 10 points, decrease saturation by about 70 points, also decrease luminance by about 30 points. Then go to green color, increase hue by about 40 points, decrease saturation by about 90 points, also decrease luminance by 50 points. For all other colors, decrease saturation by 100 points. Then go to effect section. Increase clarity by about 40 points and increase texture by about 10 points. Also increase dehaze by about 15 points. Reduce linearity by 5 points. Then go to detail section. Increase noise reduction by about 20 points. Also increase color noise reduction by about 20 points. That's all guys. So I think now we get some kind of very deep mood into our previous selected image. Let's see before and after. You can see there's some drastic contrast between before image and after image. Now we can save this preset to apply for other images. Click on these three dots and select on create preset and give its name. Then select your preset group. You can create new one. So I here create new preset group like Pixtone group. Then tap on that check mark to save it. Now your preset is saved. So now we can check our presets with some couple of other samples.
Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Lightroom preset tutorial videos like this.
Now we can use some other images to test this preset, how it looks like. So you can add this preset and look how it is changed the image before and after. You can see there's some kind of deep tone into your portrait. It will. Let's try with this image. You can see that deep dark mode into your images. Let's try another couple of images. This preset will really work with the portraits. You can try with another type of images, but I recommend to use this preset on portraits. Now you can get some clear idea how this preset will change the look and feel of your images.
You can DM me on Instagram if you want these presets free. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So I will see you in next one.